Hey there, health enthusiasts. Want to feel amazing in just 2 weeks? Ditching sugar might be your golden ticket. Let me tell you why. First off, weight loss. And I'm talking about losing real fat, not just shedding water weight. You'll notice a reduction in swelling throughout your body. Your liver will thank you too. It starts secreting fat, forcing your body to use fat as fuel. That means improved vision and kidney function. Say goodbye to those pesky nighttime bathroom trips. Inflammation? Gone! Your arteries will thank you, improving cholesterol levels and reducing pain in tissues. Better blood flow, lower blood pressure, and a happier heart. But that's not all. Your skin will glow. Less oiliness and better overall health. You'll absorb amino acids more efficiently, promoting muscle growth. And hey, who doesn't want to reduce their risk of heart disease, stroke, and cancer? Cutting out sugar can do just that. Feeling hungry between meals? That'll reduce too. You'll notice increased vitality and even an improvement in cognitive function. Your nerves will repair quicker, making you sharper and more focused. So, what are you waiting for? Give up sugar for 2 weeks and experience these incredible benefits. Your body will love you for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.